Ozempic, the type 2 diabetes medication that's been making headlines lately, used by Hollywood stars including Elon Musk. Why? Well, it could help with weight loss.
Right. And this drug is being taken, the different forms of this drug. It comes as like Ozempic or Wegovy, or there's like all these like kind of the brand names of this same drug or this class of drugs. And it's being taken by tons of Hollywood celebrities, tech, kind of like tech people, like Elon Musk.
Takes it. Yeah.
Elon Musk said he was taking it.
But is it the miracle cure it's been touted as? And is it safe to use? Keep watching until the end to find out on my thoughts about Ozempic as a registered nutritionist. So what exactly is this drug? Ozempic, also known as O-word, is a brand name prescription medication that's used to help control blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Ozempic was approved by the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) in December 2017 for the treatment of type 2 diabetes. But here's the interesting part: it can also cause weight loss. So how does it work? Ozempic is a type of drug called a GLP-1 receptor agonist. When you eat, your blood sugar levels go up, and normally your blood releases insulin to help move that sugar out of your bloodstream and into your cells where it can be used for energy. But in people with type 2 diabetes, the body doesn't produce enough insulin or doesn't respond to it well, leading to high blood sugar levels. That's where Ozempic comes in. It helps the body release more insulin, which helps control those blood sugar levels, and on top of that, it also reduces the amount of glucose, sugar, produced by the liver. In blood sugar control, Ozempic has also been known to cause weight loss in people with type 2 diabetes. How, I hear you ask? Well, this is because GLP-1 receptor agonists like Ozempic have been shown to reduce food intake and increase feelings of fullness. So can this 2-in-1 medication really help with both blood sugar control and weight loss? Well, let's dive into the pros and cons. First, let's talk about the good stuff. It seems there is some research to show Ozempic's potential to help with weight loss. A 2020 study found that patients taking Ozempic experienced an average weight loss of 6.5 kilograms over 56 weeks, compared to those taking a placebo who experienced an average weight loss of 2.8 kilograms. Another study found that patients taking Ozempic combined with lifestyle changes lost an average of 5.5 kilograms after 56 weeks, compared to 2.8 kilograms for those taking a placebo. Additionally, the FDA approved Wegovy, which is a medication that contains the same active drug, semaglutide, as Ozempic to help with weight loss. Another pro of Ozempic is its convenient dosing, if you don't mind needles. You only have to give yourself an injection once a week, so you can spend the other 6 days of the week eating and enjoying life. No more daily pills to remember, just one quick and painless injection a week. Now let's talk about the not so good stuff. Ozempic can cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Basically, it can turn your gut into a roller coaster. Another con of Ozempic is that it may increase the risk of pancreatitis, a serious condition that can cause inflammation of the pancreas. So if you have a history of pancreatitis or other conditions that affect your pancreas, Ozempic may not be your cup of tea. Another red flag is that Ozempic has a boxed warning from the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) about possible risk of thyroid cancer. A box warning is the strongest warning the FDA requires. Why is this? Well, animal studies have shown that Ozempic increased the risk of thyroid tumors. However, it's not known if Ozempic causes thyroid tumors in humans. Another side effect is that you could start to feel cold. This podcaster said that he felt cold when he took the drug.
The side effects are like, for some people, you get muscle cramps or stomach cramps, and like some things where you're just like uncomfortable for 2 or 3 weeks. For me, when I started toying around with it, I got really cold. I was like freezing all day, and I wanted to like wear a coat. And I thought that was just because I was just like 9% body fat, but I think it was partially the drug.
According to Vogue, users might also get a gaunt Ozempic face if a rapid weight loss leads to volume loss in the cheeks. Lastly, Ozempic can be expensive, especially if you don't have insurance coverage, and it's not suitable for everyone, especially women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. For example, if you're on a tight budget, Ozempic may not be the best option for you. The cost of Ozempic can vary depending on several factors, including your insurance coverage, location, and the pharmacy you use. In general, the retail price of Ozempic in the US without insurance can range from $500 to $700 per month. In the UK, retailers have not said how much the service will cost, but according to draft guidelines for the NHS, the list price for a month's supply of 4 pre-filled disposable injection pens is £73.25, An agreed price for the NHS has not been disclosed. So does Ozempic help with weight loss in the long term? And does it beat a healthy diet? Let's find out. Ozempic can provide some short-term weight loss, but it's not a magic solution, folks. You can't just pop a pill, or in this case, inject a needle and call it a day. It's not a replacement for a healthy diet and lifestyle changes. Yes, it can provide short-term weight loss, but it can also cause side effects like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. And let me tell you, those are not fun. Plus, long-term use of Ozempic for weight loss is not recommended and its safety hasn't been established. Also, researchers have also found that once users come off it, they might regain most of the weight. This podcaster says this well.
So there was one downside, which is like the study that everyone lost this weight on after they quit taking it.
The downside is if you were into obesity.
Yeah. No, dude, the downside was like people gained weight after they quit taking it. Like they gained back like 2/3 of the weight. So like if you don't like actually use it to create habits and then you get off of it, you're just gonna get fat again.
It's not a sustainable solution. A balanced diet is the way to go for long-term weight loss and to maintain a healthy weight. But what does a balanced diet look like? Well, it includes a variety of whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. And the key to a balanced diet is moderation, portion control, and cutting back on added sugars and unhealthy fats. This type of eating pattern not only leads to weight loss, but it also improves your overall health, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and promotes sustainable weight management. That's a win-win. One of the best diets to follow is the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is not some fad diet that's restrictive and not sustainable. It's about focusing on what should be on your plate regularly. It's about enjoying food. Research has shown the Mediterranean diet is one of the best ways of eating out there. It helps with weight control and reducing the likelihood of certain lifestyle diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and depression. If you want to know more about the Mediterranean diet, then check out my video all about it. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. In conclusion, a balanced diet is the better option for weight loss in the long term. While Ozempic or Wegovy can provide short-term weight loss, it's not a sustainable solution. It should be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and lifestyle changes. Remember, making small, gradual changes to your diet and incorporating physical activity into your routine is the key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight in the long term. So there you have it, folks, the pros and cons of using Ozempic for weight loss. Ozempic is not FDA approved for weight management. However, in some cases, doctors may prescribe this drug off-label for weight management. It's important to talk to your doctor about the potential benefits and risks of using Ozempic for weight loss and see if it's the right option for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button to watch more videos just like this. Remember, enjoy food and stay happy and healthy. Catch you in the next one.